Welcome to Junior Level Physics. I'm Teresa Corley, and I'll be teaching your son the regular physics class this year. This quarter, we will cover motion, specifically one-dimensional and two-dimensional motion, graphical analysis of that motion, projectile motion, and working with problem solving in both velocity and acceleration problems. And that should take us mostly through the first quarter. Second quarter, we'll focus on force, and finally end the semester taking a look at energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, as we prepare for many topics second semester, which will include wave motion, light, sound, electricity, and magnetism. So that covers a really broad area, with the intent to make sure that your sons are prepared to take any first-year physics course in college. So we hope that everybody leaves physics with a general knowledge of a lot of topics, so that when they get into college and they take that college class, they've been exposed to a lot of physics. First quarter, we focus on developing skills, specifically problem-solving skills, making sure that their math skills are where they need to be so that they can continue to solve more and more complex problems as we move through the semester. We also work on a series of projects, looking to create things, build things, and do some things that allow the students to get up, get moving, and use the concepts and apply them to a specific situation. So as we move through the semester, it's a little more challenging to do some of those things now with the way we have school set up. But I will be working with them, especially second quarter, to work on some projects at home, to videotape that process, to share those things with the class, so we can kind of look forward to that as we go. Specifics about the class, things like grading, tests, and course expectations. Of course, I expect every student to be in class. I've had no problems with attendance. Everyone's been really great about letting me know if they've got a conflict, especially when they're at home, and sort of joining us on Zoom as we kind of work through this flex model of learning. Students also have my cell phone number, they have my email, and have been told to contact me anytime during the day when they need help, when they have questions. I am available during the day and in the evenings for them as they're working on physics, and so they do have that information. They can share that with you. I gave it to them as in an introductory email at the beginning of the year. So please don't hesitate to call me, email me, let me know if you have questions or concerns. I generally collect 2 assignments every week. One of those will be some kind of lab assignment. Right now our labs have been limited to simulations and interactives, to give the students really some idea of what it would be like to manipulate some data and do some analysis. And the other assignment is generally going to be problem-oriented, some kind of problem set, or a discussion of the concepts that we're covering in class. So they can expect 2 written, turned-in assignments per week. Testing, we have not given a major test yet. We will have one coming up in the next week or so. I will give all the students a full week advance notice about tests and testing. We'll do those at school. I think that's just a better environment than trying to do a test at home. That way I can sort of monitor what they're doing, answer questions if they're not certain of what a question is asking, and actually give them a better testing environment here at school. We will have fewer tests than I normally might have, so that those assessments become really important for the boys as we work through. Generally, grades are on a just per point basis, so tests carry more weight, more points than smaller assignments. Your son should already have 6 grades in the grade book. If you want to ask to see their Canvas grade book, that should be there for them. Again, the emphasis in physics is to work on problem solving, to gain confidence, and to cover enough content that they really feel comfortable if they take a second physics course, either an AP course next year or a college level course when they go off to college. Feel free to contact me, please. I'm at home all the time or at school. Those are about the only 2 places I've been going lately. So I look forward to working with your sons and look forward to a really great year. Thank you.